Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create channel on Telegram app. First of all, you need to install the app and log in with your phone number. Once you are logged in to your Telegram account, now you need to open it. And here we have this pencil icon in the right bottom corner. Click on it. So there you will get three options, that is to add new group, to add new contact, or to add new channel. So as we are here to create channel, so I will click on new channel here. Now click on create channel and here you need to name your channel. So I will type randomly just XYZ for the channel name. And then we have the description option. So you can add a description for your channel, like for what purpose you create this. So I will type just randomly. So once you're done with your channel name and description, click on the tick button on the top right corner. Now we have channel type, that is public channel and private channel. I will go with public channel here. Then we have public link. So here you can create your own link here. So I will type just link as the channel name is XYZ. So I will just simply type XYZ here. And public link must have at least 5 characters. Also, this link is already taken. Okay, now this is available. Now click on tick button on the top right corner. And then your channel will be created. From here you can add subscribers. As I don't have any contact yet, so I don't find anyone, but you can add from there. In this way the channel is created. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.